right, so this week I'm going to jump right into it. I'm going to be direct, but only for the sake of edifying your overall culture and, most importantly, yourself and your fellow teammates. Being in the world of safety, I'm fully aware of how safety professionals and safety training are often perceived. Boring, a waste of time, and tedious. If I had a nickel for every time I walk in to do a training and eyes roll, bodies dramatically slump into chairs, and sarcastic remarks get made. I don't take it personally, but I'm not gonna lie. The longer I do this, the more I don't get it. Taking a short period of time to pause, reflect on the real dangers all around you, and process ways to protect yourself and your livelihood seems to be a reasonable pursuit and investment in time you're getting paid to take part in. Now, let me clarify something. First off, the majority of our great clients don't suffer from this type of negative culture, but the challenge found within this message is still directed towards anyone who will listen and anyone who needs to hear it. Very simply, if you or your teammates are groaning, slumping, going dark, or visibly annoyed at a safety meeting, you have a cultural issue and an attitude issue that needs to be addressed. The why behind these trainings hasn't sunk into the point where you and your teammates feel invested. If you don't feel invested in these trainings, how invested are you in actually being safe? At the end of the day, I need you to understand that these training opportunities aren't about how great or how poor the speaker is. They're not about the number of times you've heard the topic being trained on. They're about just one more opportunity to find ways where you can do better and be better within your day-to-day operations. They're about finding one more nugget of truth you can take with you and apply to your overall skill set of being a quality teammate that values the details of your job. The most skilled tradesmen are those that never stop working on their craft. That means finding ways to protect yourself, your livelihood, your ability to keep doing your job, and providing for yourself and your family for years to come. I hope you commit to the challenge of improving your attitude and overall culture as it relates to these training opportunities. After all, they're only for you and your teammates. For Summit Safety Group and Safety Consulting Now, I'm Jake Wolfenden, and even if I don't know you, I care about these topics because I care about your quality of life and the protection of your livelihood. I'll see you next week.